Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode right, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a snack side table or like a couch table is in use. So I feel like this product has been very popular. A lot of people want to get this, so that way you can actually have a desk right next to your chair or your sofa or whatever. So that way if you guys want to do work or you guys want to eat stuff there, like snacking on stuff while watching like your phone or something, you guys definitely use one of these in those scenarios. But first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what's included inside first before we assemble it. So they provide you guys installation right here to teach you guys how to install it, and then you can see it's all well protected and everything else. So they do have all these cushion parts, and then they have all like the base and all like the different tools right here and how to set it up. So all the tools right here. This is a stand. Here's the bottom of the base and top of the base. And if it's here from the material itself, it is high quality. All the instructions provided for you guys right here that I showed you guys earlier as well. Alright, so you can see right here it has more cushion for the product itself. If we move this layer right here, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it definitely feels like a pretty high quality wood right here for the table itself. If we flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like. So they have all the different screw parts right here. They just want to insert the screw to screw it on. And the cool thing about the product itself, if you can see, they have the number on each different part, so that way you guys know which one to attach it to where. You can see right here, they have the numbers right there. So that's basically everything that's included in the package itself. Let's go assemble this and show you guys how to assemble it first. Alright, so once we take everything out, you guys can see that this is basically everything that's included. So let's start the installation of the actual product itself and show you guys how to do it. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to get this part right here and flip it to the other side. So you guys want to make sure this side is facing towards you guys. So once you guys see that side right here where it has these stuff right here, then this is the correct side. So we can start from this side right here. So what you guys want to do first, after you guys flip it around to this side right here, you guys want to find the bar inside the bag that's labeled 3. So this one right here says 3. So you basically want to put this on here, and the hole has to match the bottom part. Same thing for the other one here as well. This is number 3. If you guys do number 4, it won't work because it doesn't have the hole for you guys to put it in here. So only these two can work. So once you guys use the correct screw to screw it in for this part right here, then you guys have the hole on the side right here, and you just want to attach this onto here. So the screw that we want is number 7. You guys want to take this out and screw it on here. And you guys got the 2 right here and number 8 to use to actually screw it in. So there's 4 of these right here. So I just want to fit it in each one of the holes right here. And once you guys have it in, you guys want to use tool number 8 right here. Alright, so you guys want to use this to screw it in. Alright, do the same thing for the other ones as well. Alright, since it's pretty secured, let's finish these as well. So what we want to do now is to install this next part right here. So it should go something like this, right here. And the same thing for other side as well. Let me get the correct screw. So for this one, I'm going to use screw number 6 to screw on the side right here, 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 and here. So you just want to attach the bar onto here. So let me actually do that first. Alright, let me do the same thing for this side as well. And they want to do the same thing for the other side as well. So this is what it looks like once you guys fully assemble that part for now. So one thing to remember is that when you guys assemble this part right here, this should be on top right here, where it has a hole right here, here, and also on this side as well. If you guys flip it the other way, then that's incorrect, because you guys need this area to put the footrest right here. So what you guys want to do now is put on the footrest first. So you just want to screw this on manually like this. So just turn it as far as you guys need to, because these are adjustable based on your own preference. So you guys want to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. So once you guys fully assemble that part, that's what it looks like. So what you guys want to do now is get bar number 4 and screw in this part right here, for this part here, and also here as well. So you need to use the remainder of the number 6 screw right here to actually screw it in. So we'll do one at a time. Alright, so that should be good. Let's flip it to this side and do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so we're done with that part. So you guys want to do the last bar right here, and then you guys are all done. Alright, you guys don't want to make it too tight because you guys want to finish the other part first on the other side. Just finish this last part right here. So that's basically how you guys set up the product. Very easy and very simple. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys fully assemble the product, this is basically what it looks like. Definitely looks pretty nice. You guys also adjust the bottom of the footrest if it doesn't work out or it's too wobbly. So in this case, you can see it's a little bit wobbly. So I probably have to adjust the bottom part, but you can definitely see that it works pretty well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like, if you guys can see. Welcome back, guys. So there's all the quick unboxing and testing the product itself on how to assemble it and everything. You can definitely see the product itself looks amazing and feels amazing. It definitely worked really well if you guys want to use it as like a table, to eat, to do work, to even watch stuff on your phone or whatever. You can basically do whatever you guys want on here. So first and foremost, the actual board itself is a vintage design. It didn't see from the product itself. And in terms of the frame itself, it is a very strong steel, so that way actually it's super durable even over time. And in terms of the bottom part of the actual feet, where it's installed the feet for the actual product itself, is adjustable as well, so you can actually make it higher or lower based on your own preference. The overall product itself is water resistant and scratch resistant, so you guys don't have to worry about getting water onto it or if you guys accidentally scratch it. But you can definitely see from the whole process of assembling the product itself is very simple and very easy. If you guys follow the instruction and use the tool correctly, it should be pretty smooth. And then once you guys fully assemble the product itself, it should look something like this if you were to use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we look at unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this product is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a mini table that's very similar to this one right here, where you can use it as like a side table, a couch table, a bedside table. This would definitely be super worth it and you should definitely invest in one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have into one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.